and welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to make another face full of makeup with only one color, and in this video it's going to be the color green. So if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and become a catcher. But besides that, let's start the video. Okay, so first I start with washing my face, put some primer and some foundation on it. And now the next thing is the concealer, and for that I even bought a green concealer. So let's see. It is green. That's going to look really interesting. Okay, now let's hope it's blended in enough and that I don't look like a monster. Kind of feels like it. Next thing, I gotta make a green blush. Is it too much? I think it is too much, but that's the fun of the video, isn't it? Now, the green eyeshadow. I actually really like it. Now let's use the green eyeliner. One eye is done, now the next one. Now that's how it looks with the eyeliner. And before we go to the mascara, I totally forgot to do the eyebrows, and I also want them to be green, so let's do that. You probably can't really see that big of a difference, but still it's better than before. So let's get to the next one, and that is the green mascara, which is pretty tiny and little, but still it's green, so I guess we have to deal with that. Can you see that on the eye? It doesn't really make a big volume, but it makes it green, so. Okay, mascara is on, and now the last thing, which is the green lipstick. And I also think the color is a bit different green than the rest of the face, but I guess that's not that big of a problem, isn't it? And that was the green lipstick. And what do you think? Wait, let me open my hair. Do I look like a monster, or does it look cool? And in my opinion, actually, it doesn't look that bad. And I think the darker colors like blue and like green definitely fit me better than white or pink. So, you know what you think and how you like the video, and if you also want to see more of those face full of makeup videos. And yeah, that was it for the video. Thanks for